Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to backup file from your PC onto your Microsoft OneDrive accounts. So to start uploading file from your OneDrive account, click on internet browser. In the address bar, type onedrive.com, then click on it. Then you can download OneDrive onto your desktop machine. For downloading, you need to install OneDrive app for the desktop on your computer. Then sign in with your email and password to access your Microsoft web portal. This is my Microsoft web portal. Go to backup files from my PC onto my Microsoft portal. On the taskbar, I click on Microsoft OneDrive icon and I log in with my email and password. This will link my PC onto my OneDrive accounts so that I can backup file my PC onto OneDrive portal. Type my password, then I click sign in. Now my PC is linked to my Microsoft OneDrive account. This will help me to backup file from my PC into my OneDrive. So I click on use for a folder. So to backup file from my PC into my OneDrive, I need to create a folder. The folder will serve as a backup folder so that any file that I will upload onto the folder will automatically update my OneDrive storage in cloud. So I click on my OneDrive taskbar. This is my OneDrive. Access the drive. So to create a folder, I right click my OneDrive. I name it my PC backup. I have uploaded my files from the PC. So when I check my OneDrive portal, in the portal, I'll find the folder that I created, that's my PC backup. Then I will find all files that I upload from my PC into my OneDrive portal. Again, I want to disconnect my OneDrive storage from my PC. I click on the taskbar, I click on settings, then I go to disconnect my OneDrive PC. Thank you for watching this video. Please kindly subscribe to this channel to receive an update.